As a line supervisor or machine operator, you may look to video as a way to track the health of your plant's operation. Live and recorded video streams are an inexpensive way to monitor critical manufacturing and security operations. But when there's a critical event, video doesn't always tell the whole story. When trying to determine the root cause of an upset or shutdown, sifting through operator console data, especially when trying to marry it with corresponding video footage, can be very challenging. Imagine a system that could display multiple video streams and various operator consoles in real time on one dashboard. Imagine if multiple monitors and terminal server sessions could be synchronized and simultaneously recorded to a flexible DVR system, allowing the user to go back to view the details of any event. And imagine if that system captured everything your operators were seeing and doing at their consoles before, during, and after that event. Like a flight data recorder for your facility, IVC's Longwatch console recorder is the answer. The console recorder combines individual console clips that can be played back as a single, synchronized video clip. Customizable views can easily be created so that supervisors can visualize the status of any process, event, or machine in real time. When analyzing the root cause of production downtime or any manufacturing event, this recorded data can be vital in determining whether an operator received an alarm, what did they see on their screen, how long did they take to respond and what actions did they take, was the system displaying the right screen. Additionally, this type of data and documentation can prove invaluable for many scenarios, including troubleshooting, training, process improvement, or documenting your operations for regulatory compliance. For more information or to set up a demo, contact IVC.